One day, Ty and D-Structs found themselves atop a high tower. Hey Ty, how did we get up here? How are we gonna get down? I don't know, D-Structs, but I think we're gonna have to work together to get down. Alright, maybe we will. Any ideas? Yeah, I do, D-Structs, look. Look ahead. Look at this snowy patch. All we have to do is gather some speed and momentum and jump onto the snowy plateau. Alright, that is an idea. Maybe we can work together. Are you ready?
There's a turtle on here.
Yeah, I think I'm ready. Well, watch out! There I go! I made it! It's your turn, Ty. Alright, D-Structs, I'm coming. Hold up. Gotta wind up first. Alright, here I go. Woo, I made it! Yay! Oh, Turtle, why did you do that? Turtle, I thought we were buddies. Oh, you hurt me. I forgive you. Oh, what was that? What was that? You guys are gross. I'm gonna go back to the tower.
The turtle is gonna wait you guys. That. No. I think we can ask this one.
Welcome to Family.
Dinotrux toy review.
Yeah, Dinotrux toy review. Today we have a new Dinotrux toy. This is brand new. It's called the Blizzard's Battlers Pack. And it's got, these are the pullback action Dinotrux with moving arms and legs. They move sideways like this.
Oh, that works.
He moves too. He's got the moving jaw and tread plates. And this is from, I think, season 3 when they're out in the snow. Season 3? And
hey, look at the torture, Dada.
where's the turtle? He's hiding. He's afraid. And they got like a snow frost on them. Or Ty, he's trying to be cool. He's got frosted tips. All right, let's try out a new look. All right, let's open it up. Have some fun. There should be an easy open back here. So you just pull them and release them. Oh, and then you can collect them all. So this is Arctic Ty-Rux. There's an Arctic Tauntaun with snow and Arctic Skya. All right, I found the easy open right here. This, and then you pull it open. Oh wait, that's done. This, and then you go bing, bing.
I'll do this one.
And then you do that one. And the other one. Oh, this one.
I took it off.
Then they fall out.
Here's Ty-Rux.
Here we go. Hi, Ty-Rux. What are you doing here? I think there's something wrong with you, Ty. All you say is Enough with that. That hurt painful. one named
Right here.
Turtle
No.
Rex. Leave Turtle alone. What? I was just trying to save him. Alright. Alright. Right. That doesn't hurt me at all. I'm not bothered. There. Hey, good morning, Ty. Hey, have some of this for breakfast.
Have some of this.
Oh yeah. Yum 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 yum. I like it. Yum 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 yum. So delicious. Till next time, Ty. I'll see you later. So, I'll see you for lunch. You want to meet again for lunch and play some more? Huh? Hey Ty, you want to meet again for lunch and play some more?
And then.
Yeah, I'm just kidding, dude. I'll see you later, man. Alright, bye. No, that's okay. Look how they move when they move around.
That
Yes. Snow.